is where we slept last night. Just at this. Almost farm. It is the first old train stop kind of thing, a Wedderburn. Some train station at least. This is the ticket office. And this is the ladies' waiting room. Pretty empty. Okay. That was more a freight train station to start with. And then it became a passenger service. So this is the rail trail, I assume, because it used to be the rail. And it's apparently very nice from what I've read. So the plan is to just drive down the highway, and then there should be a shop, a Foursquare, and then we can have breakfast there. Change of plan, because it's 6:30 in the morning. We're gonna do the hike first, and then try to find some food. That's the plan now. Beautiful scenery. We are at the Naseby Forest Recreation Track, and it's supposed to be 10 kilometers, 2.5 hours. Little breakfast. I mean, just look at how flat. And how calm. Right, so see you later. Saw this just earlier. Vincent Pike. And I was thinking, that's a mountain bike thing. Let's not disturb the mountain bikers at 6 a.m., 7 a.m. But apparently this is the way we need to go. So let's see. I think I'm wrong again. Jesus. What? Doesn't make any sense. Maybe this? It's not hard for like elevation or length, but it's hard to just stay on track. It's just so many corners. I think I've done some. What? Left? There's no path that we just cross. There's nothing. There's absolutely nothing. Just gonna follow this one for a bit and then see what happens. What is that? I think it's a mushroom. I'm not sure which one. Vincent? It's pretty dark here. Maybe that's my sunny. Oh yeah. Reminds me of childhood stories of Hansel and Gretel. The dark, dark forest. I think something's wrong again. This is close to impossible, I think. But I also don't want to just simply straight go by the thing, by the map, because then I would be walking through this. I don't want that. Yeah, wrong turn. Thank you very much. Yeah, turn. You're funny. You're funny, man. Oh, left turn. No. This seems to be wrong, but I hope that it will just do this, and maybe I'll end up on the street, and then we go left, or to the right in this case. There's light at the end of the forest. Oh, here, look at that. Beautiful. So we're not even close to where we're meant to be, but we will just turn right now. Over here. It's still nice. I'm going to the map. Map. Like this path from the right seems decent. Like, how did I miss this? I don't know. Let's try to not miss the path too many times again. Wow, look at this. I almost missed the trail, but only almost. I'm getting better at this. I am getting better. So what we need to do is Muppets motorway. Okay. I think the camera will not do justice to how beautiful and peaceful it is. Because it's on the map. I hope it's the right water. It is. Nice. Quick sneak peek what life is on the other side. Very, very, very map. Nice. I think that track goes something like this. Okay. I was thinking earlier when I was standing up there to just use the tree, but I couldn't really see it, and I guess I could have. Oh well.
Well, this is quite interesting. I thought this was just a bridge, but it's actually a spout. But where does all the water come from? Down there? Doesn't really make sense to me. Oh well, our path is down there. Found some hints. Found a pipe. I assume the pipe carries the water. It's a big pipe. Alright. Let's keep our eyes peeled and find more hints of where this water comes from. So this path is called the water race. And I assume that's because you're racing the water. So let's see if we can find where this pipe starts. Maybe that's... Well, that was easier than I thought. Water gets into the pipe and out of the pipe. But, wait, I probably need to go through there or something. Nope, Chucky Yui. Good, nice. On the right track. Finally, for a change. But to be honest, last half hour was pretty good. But unfortunately, I think this is where we need to part ways with the creek and go down here. Square ponds, and I have no idea what they're for. Not only these people, but also these ponds are talking to me. Bloop, 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 bloop. We thought we lost him, but I think that's our water race. He's back, united. Beautiful. So we can now see these pond thingies. I don't know what they're for. Maybe they're for animals to let them drink. A bit like the Oktoberfest, where you have all these people lined up to drink. I don't know, maybe. It is actually still warm. You see that it's still sweating in there? That is absolutely perfect. I'm on the way, and I still didn't have breakfast. But yeah, it's a bumblebee. Gotten this. I'm gonna have a coffee, some brekkie, and then we'll drive on. We have arrived. And I've been here actually. I've been here before, but I just forgot. Pretty nice. So you usually don't want to go that close, as far as I know. But maybe she's a professional, and now it's a tourist attraction. seal is now on the benches there. Nice. Alright, so we need to cook something. It's massive cauliflower. I have no idea what to do with it. A bunch of potatoes. I think this is recording. 2. Boil up the cauliflower with the potatoes and make a cheese sauce out of peppers, capsicum, zucchinis, and a little bit of cheese, and maybe garlic, surely garlic, and some pesto. So I wonder, now chopping this up, is it now having a greater volume or smaller volume? Because if I would chop it like very fine, it would be kind of like sand, very small. But I think I made it a bigger volume now because I have more pieces. You know, before it was, these were not like far away, they were like, these were not far away, they were like very tight. So using less volume, so is there some kind of equilibrium where it has the maximum volume? This one looks like a steam engine, and this one is simmering nicely. Oops. The seal is sealing away over there. So I'm not really sure what we're doing here. Has that ever been a thing in a restaurant or something? Pesto cheese sauce? Maybe I'll find out. Oh, I've never heard that. But the thing is, you do put Parmesan cheese on pesto with noodles, right? Noodles with pesto. Pasta and pesto. So let's see, maybe I'm onto something. Maybe. Maybe absolutely not. Cheese is melting. Good sign. So I think this time, I think this is actually much better than I thought it would be. So the seal disappeared. Not too bad. I might have lied. There might be a little bit of a seal left. Just that little tip there. Could be seal. But I'll keep you guys posted. Update. So now seaweed or some. Oh, it's gone. That they will. Oh god. Oh, yes. And bye, Mr. Seal. Don't let humans annoy you that much.